So, do we have to do this one? No, honestly, do we have to? Because like, what? How are they making this? That's what I want to know. How are they making this though? Well, they just getting a bunch of guys who have just had a sweaty workout and just scraped the juices from their and just poured it into some neutral flavored crisps. Like, I don't know if I want to do this, bro. This isn't what I signed up for. I didn't think I'd be eating on a Deji shoot.
Alright, let's give it a go.
You first.
No,
I tried